When your enemies are within and your allies are collapsing, the battlefield doesn't need a war. Rather, it becomes one. Following the Pahalgam attack, a deadly confrontation broke out not between India and its adversaries, but within its own ranks. Between Hindu soldiers of the 185 BSF and Khalistan Sikhs of the 15th Sikh Light Infantry, both under the Indian Army Chinar Corps. What began as a heated exchange of words turned into an intense shootout, leaving 5 Sikh soldiers dead. 4 of them were from Haryana and 1 from Amritsar. Their bodies have been sent to their native villages, but the tremors continue. A corps-level inquiry has been ordered. Commandant Rakesh Tiwari of 185 BSF was sacked, replaced immediately by a deputy from 128 BSF, but the chain reaction didn't stop there. Following massive security failures, including the recent Pahalgam attack, the Indian Army removed its Northern Commander-Chief, Lieutenant General Suchindra Kumar. In his place, Lieutenant General Prateek Sharma was rushed in from Delhi, but what awaited him wasn't an obedient welcome. In his very first briefing, officers lashed out saying, "The entire Kashmir is against us. The locals hate us from the core of their hearts. We fear even the food we eat may be poisoned. And now you expect us to fight Pakistan too?" The Pahalgam attack and leadership shake-up intensified blame and distrust between units. With morale crumbling and paranoia rising, Indian security forces have now restricted all movements in the valley to road opening days, a security lockdown not for Kashmiris but for Indian troops themselves. Meanwhile, India has activated its infamous communal militia, the Village Defence Guards or VDGs. And in a chilling move, the government has ordered border villagers along the line of control to evacuate immediately, offering no alternate shelters, no protection. According to credible insiders, these villagers are in despair, openly stating that under the false pretext of a security threat, Modi and Amit Shah have given a free hand to VDGs to loot and harass them, stripping them of their lifetime savings. Once silent, these communities are now vocal, furious, and clear in their blame that BJP is the sole spoiler of peace in the region. They hold the Hindutva-driven regime responsible for their hardships, oppression, and the ever-worsening instability across Indian-occupied Kashmir. At the same time, Kashmiri freedom fighters have vowed to avenge the blood of innocent Muslims, especially as India's occupation tightens its grip after the Pahalgam incident. The facade of control is cracking. The fear that once haunted the oppressed is now settling deep into the hearts of the occupiers. Because when a nation turns its guns inward, it loses the war before the enemy even arrives. This is Amara Farad Baloch and you're watching Nexus Bulletin.